fun. Nice one, Ronnie.
Oh, look, they're right under us.
Right underneath us.
Come on, boys, come up. Oh. Come up, boys. Come on. Oh, they just dove. They look like killer whales.
Yeah, they're black and white.
Yeah.
Right over there now, look how far they've gone.
Look. Where?
Right.
No, that's tuna jumping out of the water. Oh, come on, come up, come up. They were killer whales, 3 of them.
Yeah. Don't get right on the boat.
Straight under the boat. Come on, boys, come up. Just, right, there were 3 of them, straight underneath. I'm videoing this. I just want to get them to come up again because they're going to take some air. Oh, there they are. Look at them, 3 of them, straight out there. Look at them, 3 of the 3. Oh, wow.
Funny how they all come at the same time.
Yeah. Let's go and catch up again. I'm going to get a photo this time.